Hi and welcome to the Washello YouTube channel. Now today we've got many cars. We're here in Hampstead Heath where we've got about 3 or 4 cars to clean on this very misty morning. This is an interesting one. This is a Land Rover Discovery that's got what seems to be a lot of corrosion, a lot of nasties left behind by bird poop. So we're going to try and give this a clean, make this look incredibly nice and add a sealant on it. We're going to add the Maguire's ceramic wax on top. Stay tuned to see what it looks like. So here on the car we have what seems to be some sort of bird mess on one side. This just seems to be deposits. So we're going to give it a big clean and apply a sealant, a ceramic wax, and see what it looks like at the end. So stay tuned. Right, so I finished this Land Rover Discovery. My God, does this look good? How good does ceramic coating look? It really changes the look of the car. It really makes it look like it's brand new and wrapped up in some cling film to protect it. Right, so I'm all done here. Let's move on to the next customer. Hi and welcome back. Now I've arrived here at this Land Rover. Check this out. I think these vehicles are so cool. I mean, apart from how dirty it is, look how militaristic these things are. It looks like it's armor plated. Now inside, I have taken the mats out, so it's not too bad. I love the seats. Look at this style of diamond cell seat here. I mean, everything about these is really cool. The lady says she goes to the beach in this, so I don't blame her. Alright, for this car, this is going to require the full works. It's going to have a big clean. We need to get some of this dirt off. And not only that, it's going to need a polish as well. So we're going to restore this paint and then add a wax sealant as well. So hopefully this car is going to look really good when we're finished.
Shut up and sit down.
now we've done a big clean on this Land Rover. It's got a bit of water on it, but it looks a lot better. Right, so we've just finished this Land Rover and it's just started raining. Actually, it's been raining for about 5 minutes, but look, we have managed to finish it in time, I'd say. Now, the good thing about this weather, I did apply a ceramic coating just in time before the rain hit it, and you can see the effect the ceramic coating has already. Look at the beading. I mean, look how nice it is. I mean, in contrast to how it was earlier, you can actually see how nice this has turned out. There you go. Buff that off now. Around here, I actually put ceramic coating on this. I had a little bit of time left, so you can see how shiny that looks. Right, so I'm done here, and I don't know whether I can do another car in this weather, but I'm going to pack up, head to the next customer, and see if the weather changes. Catch you in a bit.
Rodney has the big nose. Turned to
I was at the fun fair the other
on over 48 and said,
called someone else.
how does he get away with it? Whatever whatever the extra tax they. And there was someone in the back that said, oh, it's the golden rule.